case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1984, a landmark case, Johnson v. Jamaica Hospital, came before the New York Court of Appeals. At the heart of the controversy was the distressing instance of a newborn baby's abduction directly from the hospital. Through an unfortunate turn of events attributed to the hospital's negligence, the child was kidnapped and spent 4.5 months away from her parents. The baby was eventually located and returned safely to her parents. However, the psychological trauma had already set in. In response to the distressing experience, the parents decided to sue Jamaica Hospital for emotional distress. The events leading up to the lawsuit were fraught with anxiety and pain, as the parents sought legal recourse for the negligent breach of care that had led to their child's abduction. The first judgment in this scenario came from a lower court, which sided with the hospital. The court ruled in favor of the defendant, granting the hospital's request to dismiss the lawsuit. The court argued that the emotional distress claimed by the parents could not be legally blamed on negligent care for the child on behalf of the hospital. Refusing to back down, the parents appealed the decision, leading to further deliberation at the New York Court of Appeals. Yet the higher court supported the initial ruling. The court maintained the stance that the blame for emotional distress could not fall on the hospital, as the plaintiffs were considered mere spectators to the negligence. The Court of Appeals further amplified its stance by referring to 2 crucial points required for emotional distress claimants to recover. According to the court, the claimant must have been in the zone of danger during the incident, and they must also have observed serious physical injury or death unfold due to the defendant's negligence. In this case, the court maintained that neither of these conditions were met. Thus, the New York Court of Appeals upheld the lower court's decision, maintaining the dismissal of the parents' complaint. Despite the undeniable psychological distress the parents experienced, their trauma was deemed to be legally unattributable to the hospital's negligence in the case of their child's abduction.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.